Okay. Well, I can't get this bolt in until somebody holds it for me.
What?
I need somebody to hold the wheels from spinning.
Cotter pin for
Installed.
safety.
Let's see what this looks like. This is a pretty cool shot that you're getting. This is like for a commercial, right?
So you can kind of see, look, we got the transmission back together again. Hello. Hello, Toon. Hello. So we got the Evo running. Trans shift's good. Sorry I didn't really update you. It's like midnight right now. But trans shift good. Or trans shift good, that's how tired I am. Thing runs pretty smooth. So, hell yeah. It's another one out. Holy moly. I could not find my camera. Anyways guys, today we are working on a right-hand drive Toyota Supra. It is a 2JZ with, I think it's non-VVTi 2JZ, but very good looking car. It is a 5-speed car. I believe it's a, I forget the name of the transmission. I'll remember it later. It's not the R154, it's the other one. The one that's a little weaker, W58. So anyways, today we'll be doing a clutch on it. I already got a lot of stuff on the bottom taken off pretty much, so I mainly like just lost my camera. I couldn't find it on the tripod over there and I was like, where's it at? Turns out it's in here. Yesterday we did get the BRZ engine in, I mean 86 or whatever. As I was saying, sorry guys, the FRS engine is in. So yeah, let's raise this thing up. Just disconnected the battery so I can unbolt the starter, and let's get the starter out of the way, and then let's get it done. Pretty dark under here. Let me see if the light will adjust. Oh my god, there it goes. Alright guys, so there is the W58. Already got the drive shaft out, exhaust off. Mount is undone so I can undo the trans mount. This is a swapped car, so I don't believe it was manual to begin with. Then I have bell housing bolts and starter, and we are going to try to slide this puppy out, get the clutch changed. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking off the shifter at those 2 points, and then there's one on top. I'm going to do that. Sorry guys, the contrast probably sucks because of the damn lighting, so the focus is kind of screwed up. But yeah, take shifter off. Alright guys, the shifter is mostly undone. Won't really let me take it all the way out, so I'll conquer that when I come to it. Now I'm going to get all the bell housing bolts. See if I can't slide this thing out. Alright guys, the shifter is mostly undone. Won't really let me take it all the way out, so I'll conquer that when I come to it. Now I'm going to get all the bell housing bolts. See if I can't slide this thing out. There it is guys, got the trans out. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pressure plate off. Trans looks fine. Honestly, these are some of the easiest trans to take out. No big deal whatsoever. So the new comp clutch kit comes with an entire new throwout bearing, no pressing, nothing required, which is really nice. Also, this hooks in on this fork right here, and be careful because if you snap that, then your new one won't really click on. This does have a different kind of spring, so I will have to probably accommodate for that. I'll probably just swap the springs. Since it is slightly different, I just want to make sure that the throwout looks the same, the inner and outer diameter is the same. Other than that, everything seems okay, just fine. So I'm just gonna flip that guy, unhook him. To get him in, you can just do that. There you go. Make sure that guy is good and lubed up. Put a little grease in that hole maybe. And then you're just going to throw it on. It's a little tricky. There we go. Bam. New pilot bearing or throwout bearing installed. So yeah, simple as that. That is nice. Very minimal play there. Now it's time to swap the clutch. Alright guys, so Kev's here now. I haven't been updated.
What's up?
Yeah, so me and him freaking got this damn trans done, or the clutch. I know y'all can barely see, it's pretty dark. I didn't record much of it because we kind of knocked out pretty quick, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
These W58s and Supras, they are fucking quick. They are easy. I mean, it is a world of difference compared to like a 240SX. And probably GTR too, huh? So, anyways, we're probably gonna go drive it, see how this new clutch feels. It was a comp stage 4, so I guess we'll see what happens. Alright guys, sorry we didn't drive the Supra in this portion of the video. You'll kind of understand more at the end of the video why we didn't. I promise you will see more of this car, and yeah, let's just leave it at that. This video was kind of a mixture of everything that I could put into it. That's why it's kind of a little unorganized, you know, compared to everything else. So it's more vlog style, but okay. Alright, so me and Kev.
What's up?
So we got, just to prove that we do fix things around here.
Every once in a while.
Yeah, so this is the day after the Supra build, since this is all probably gonna be one video. Kev got the STI all going, both of us did. But so it's running right now, it's just warming up, bleeding out. And then we got a Z to look at next. So yeah, this is Kevin's rebuild. Throwing him on the spot.
Yeah.
But it sounds good. So yeah, we do have like a flywheel noise with the starter that we're about to figure out. So other than that, thing runs smooth. Good job, Kev. So let's do it. What's up, guys? So we are finishing the, well, I guess the FRS, huh? So anyways, this one was just a junkyard long block that we kind of sourced for a guy. It was just an eBay engine. What do you do? You ran it out of oil?
Yeah, the main bearing spun.
So he didn't really want to rebuild. It was just more cost effective and time effective to just get a long block, because his was totally gone pretty much.
Oh, baby, gone.
So anyways, the thing does run. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Right now we're just kind of finishing up some clutch stuff with it, but that'll be another one out. So I think that's a couple Subarus that we've updated you on this video, plus that we had the Supra in there. Need to fix what we're trying to figure out, a little tapping noise on this thing on cold start. Kind of sounds like an exhaust leak, kind of doesn't. It could be like a lifter tick deal, but it just sounds super funky. So we're gonna go ahead and double check all the header bolts as well as the test pipe bolts. So yeah, and then we'll see what's up on this car. I'm going to try to finish up the FRS. We did have to pull the trans, had a little bitty like a clutch engagement issue with the pilot. Fixed it from what we know, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing thrown back together. Luckily Kevin's been here since earlier. He got a lot of the hard stuff done. You probably can't see much, but I just need to bolt this baby back in. It's already lined up. Drive shaft shifter linkage, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I got the engine still tilted, but got the bell housing, the lower bells and nuts and the bolts on each side. Got the starter in, need to put the cable on. Oh man, there's music. Oh no! So guys, Subaru's done, or Subaru, the Scion, not Subaru, is done, and then
It says Supra.
it kind of is a Subaru. And then anyways, we got the clutch going, everything's good, no codes, nothing like that. We are gonna go test drive it and see how it does. Right, Cam? Alright guys, so we kind of got throttle body mounted up on this thing. Still gonna finish up everything tomorrow or the next day, but everything looks freaking good. Subaru's in. That's our last Subaru for this video. Now we're gonna get out of here because it's late, huh, Kevin? Yeah. What is in that box?
Aaron splitter.
Weird. Oh.
Are we on the same side?
I think so. Alright guys, well we got something upcoming for next video.
Yeah.
So These may be our cars now, but all right, later, guys. Say bye, Kevin.
See ya.